Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to show charging station on the map. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's find and select the settings icon. This is the settings icon. Let's just tap it. If you tap the settings icon, you've got access to the following list of settings. You can now swipe to the left to find all the settings, but now we are interested in EV. So let's find this icon with the car and with the plug. Let's just tap EV, and as you can see now you've got the whole list of settings that you can use on your device, and one of them is show charging station on map. If you enable this feature, you will see the charging station on the map. What's also interested, you can use the filter. So if you tap here filter for map icons, you can enable the closed station filter, so you won't see the closed station on your map. So I think it's quite useful, so I don't need to see the closed station on my map. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.